Hey everyone, I know there's been a lot of questions and people wondering on how to get access to the funding, the $2 trillion stimulus package that has come about. So I wanted to walk you through that right now and show you how to get access, and you should get apply right away because there's only a limited amount of money, and you should take action on this right away. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the SBA.gov website. Go to the SBA.gov, and because the pandemic is pretty prominent in everybody's minds, it's right here. You're going to click Learn More. After that, you're going to scroll down a little bit. You're going to go down to Coronavirus Funding Options, and there's a Click Here button. Click there, and it's going to bring you to this page here with this gentleman. And scroll down a bit, and it's going to show you the different options that are available. Now, let me break down a few things. The first thing you should do is right here, the 10K advance up to 10K, okay? Everyone should do this, in my opinion, because you basically, if you have a business, a sole proprietor, if you're a 1099, you basically can get up to 10K during this process. So I'm gonna show you that right now and how that works, and then I'll come back to the other ones, okay? When you go down through here, you're going to go right here to apply. So click here. Now I'm not gonna fill out the entire application, but I'm just gonna show you what it looks like, okay? So right here, this is not gonna take you more than 10 minutes, by the way. It's very quick. And so you can do that pretty quickly. It's gonna ask you for a bunch of information. You're gonna have to answer these the way that best suits your business. Typically, most people, what I'm hearing is they're going to hit this one, applicant with business is not more than 500 employees. Or you could be this one, applicant is an individual who operates under sole proprietorship with or without employees as an independent contractor. Okay, so that would also mean you're 1099. That pretty much sums up most of the top three right here. Sums up pretty much a lot of people. Other people, unless you're in certain programs or you're a nonprofit, is gonna apply to you differently. Okay, so let me. You're gonna say no to these. Hopefully, you're hopefully all of these, you're not into lobbying and haven't committed any illegal activity, right? so you're gonna click those, and it'll take you to the next screen. Like I said, I'm not gonna take you through the whole thing, but as you can see, you type in your business name, your trade name, your EIN number, the type of business that you are, okay, and the entity type. Then you're going to nonprofit, yes or no, franchise, yes or no, your gross revs, your cost of goods sold, any rental properties. These are not required, by the way. This one and this one is, as it's in red, but these down here are not required unless you have like specific, like you're a faith-based entity. Down here, primary business address, contact information, all that jazz, and then you click next. It's going to then ask you some about you, personal information, and then a little bit more additional information. This right here is you're going to get your routing number ready and your account number ready, because they're going to ask you for that routing number and account number where you want your money to go, and then hit save. What I'd recommend you do is after you're done, take a screenshot of the confirmation number and hold on to it and just wait for your bank account. On this same page is right here, which is the Paycheck Protection Program, okay? Which I would, if you're paying yourself in your business, these, depending on what type of, business you're in, these are, you can apply for multiple ones, such as debt relief and paycheck. So if you're paying yourself in your business, you would go to this one, and this one is going to bring you lenders that can help out. And this is specifically, there's a lot of forgiveness in this, by the way, guys. So, there's no collateral or personal guarantees are required. Neither government nor lenders will charge any small business fees. So this is great if you have employees or you're paying yourself out of your business already. Then this is great. You're going to want to apply for this also, because it's basically, you're getting free money for helping to keep your own paycheck going on in your own business. Does that make sense? So this again also is going to take you through that same process. This one is a little bit different, where you do have to, when you fill out an application, it's going to have you fill it out. And this one is a mail away. You have to mail this in, but it's not very long. It's 1 page, 2 pages, and that's it. And the rest is legal documentation. So it's basically 2 pages and you're done. Okay. That one you can mail out. Now, the other one I want to show you here is right here is the debt relief. Okay, this is if you currently have mortgages, you got credit card bills, anything that's going heavy on your expenses on your business. This is another option that you can use also. Okay, so these are different options that you can look into. And right here under SBA Express Bridge Loans, here's another one right here. This is if you already have an existing business relationship with SBA. You can get up to $25,000 quickly. Those are the ones you can start, and I would start using these right away and take advantage of it, because it's only around for a limited time. All right, see ya.